Transform your outdoor space with Ramuc Acrylic Deck Coating, the perfect blend of beauty, safety, and durability for your concrete deck or patio. Tired of dull, worn-out surfaces? Our advanced water-based formula is here to upgrade your textured concrete, offering a vibrant, color-fast finish that stands up to the elements. Not only does Ramuc Acrylic Deck Coating enhance the aesthetics of your deck, but it also ensures a safe, non-slip surface, ideal for high-traffic areas. Whether you're hosting a poolside gathering or enjoying a quiet moment on your patio, you can trust that every step is secure and every surface looks its best. And the best part, it's as easy to apply as it is to maintain. With simple soap and water cleanup, your deck can be back in action in just 48 hours, perfect for restoring bare or previously painted concrete. This coating is UV resistant, ensuring your deck stays vibrant and protected for years to come. Elevate your outdoor experience with Ramuc Acrylic Deck Coating, where form meets function for a deck that's as stunning as it is safe. Ramuc, bringing life to your outdoor spaces.